Music. Want to know if BTC Markets is the right crypto platform for you? Stick around for this review. We'll cover its key features, who it benefits most, and if it's a solid investment choice. Links are in the description. BTC Markets is a leading Australian cryptocurrency exchange, operating since 2013. It caters to both retail and institutional investors, offering secure, high-liquidity trading in Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, and more. Known for fast AUD deposits and withdrawals, it's a popular choice for Aussie traders. BTC Markets boasts real-time order books and competitive fees. Spot trading starts at 0.85% but decreases with higher volumes, rewarding active traders. Advanced tools like limit, stop, and API trading are also available for pros. AUD deposits and withdrawals are easy via PayID, BPAY, and bank transfers. However, no direct card purchases or international fiat withdrawals are supported. Security is a priority. BTC Markets uses 2FA, cold storage, and complies with AUSTRAC regulations. Its strong track record inspires confidence. BTC Markets is ideal for Australian investors seeking a reliable, locally regulated exchange. However, limited AUD-only fiat support makes it less suitable for international users. It also lacks margin trading and extensive DeFi features compared to global giants like Binance or Kraken. Overall, BTC Markets offers Australian traders a trusted, secure, and efficient platform with high liquidity and robust security. If you're in Australia and need a reputable exchange, this is a great option. Click the link in the description to learn more.